What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Mac? Quick demo video for you for your Roman props MK1. It's installed with a Proffie V2. You've got CC sabers in here for your lit PCB. You will need to have a recessed blade for this. I think I told you, I have in the past attempted to do one of these without a recessed blade, and there's just not enough blade depth. I mean, that thing will wobble on you. You've only got one blade retention screw right here. So it is set up for a recessed blade, and that's what you'll need. This has a Rudy Pando chamber in it that you provided, but I put a dual crystal setup in it, something that I like to do. Let's get into it, right? So to get to the chassis, what you want to do is just open up this piece right here. I've got the spare pommel I'll send with you too, and all the parts that I didn't use that you sent with this guy. So you take that off, and then here's your chassis. We got this chassis printed in MJF, so very durable material. You've got your Proffie board here, but how you access it is right here. If you look here, you've got access to both your SD card and your micro USB. You got a 1.3 millimeter recharge port, and then you got a kill switch right here. You and I talked about you wanted to be able to make sure that you could flip this with your finger, so you can just come over here, flip it just like that, and it's on. So we'll slide this back on and lock it down. This is a 2-button setup, so your front switch is your activation. Back here is your auxiliary. We'll turn it off. How you get to your crystal chamber, first you want to flip this clamp up so it loosens this middle part just a hair. Then you want to turn it clockwise just a tad, and then pull straight up on it, and then we'll turn it counterclockwise to lock it in place. If I turn this off, you can see you've got a dual crystal set up there. Now the top crystal is wired in line with your blade, so it's going to do what your blade does. The bottom crystal is wired independently. So right now, obviously, I've just got it pulsing here until we turn it on. You'll see both of them light up, just like that. And then they react also to clashes, right? And turn it off just like that. And then you just slide this back down, lock it in place, and then clamp that down. Now everything's nice and tight. Something I do up here, I don't do wires up here. So what I did is I'll just take this off one time to show you. You got a blade side PC. Let me turn this light back on, sorry. You got a blade side PCB right here with its own holder that's connected obviously to this PCB right here. And then you've got a 7-pin PCB right here that makes connection with the blade holder. So that's how you get power to your blade. This doesn't have to be taken out ever. I just wanted to unscrew it to show you. And then I didn't lock this down. Sometimes I'll lock it down with a little bit of like E6000 or something. You can do that if you want to. I didn't on this guy, just in case you want to get in there, kind of look around, see what's going on. But that's what we've got going on right there, right? This has the stock font package on it. I just messed with the crystal on the first font. Let's go ahead and turn it off real quick. See, it's on. Come over here and flip the switch. Everything dies, so it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do there. And we'll put this back on. It's got the stock font package on it. You'll find a copy of the config file that I used on your SD card. There's 2 blade styles, right? You've got your main blade, and then you've got your bottom crystal. So you can program those to do whatever you want to do. And that is basically your MK1. Let me know if you got any questions on this. If not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.